How to clean 7 small kitchen appliances. Whether you use a drip coffee maker, French press, fancy espresso machine, or a single-pod coffee maker, it should be cleaned regularly for both good-tasting coffee and to prevent bacteria growth. Coffee makers combine moisture and warmth, perfect breeding grounds for bacteria and mold growth. If you've ever used a blender, food processor or juicer, you know all about the splatters of food and liquid that can go everywhere, especially if you forget to use the lid. Fortunately, these appliances are easy to clean because they can do most of the work. Part of the appeal of a waffle maker, electric grill or panini press is the non-stick surface. So cleaning it properly will not only prevent cross-contamination from food bacteria, but will preserve the finish for years to come. Splatters happen. The easiest way to clean the inside of a microwave is to let it do the work. Fill a microwave-safe container with at least 1 cup water. Process until the water is at roiling boil, then turn off the microwave. Keep the door closed for at least 15 minutes. The steam will loosen food particles and make them easy to wipe away with no scrubbing needed. A portable or stand mixer is nearly an essential if you prepare food often. The danger comes if food particles get caught in the blades or beaters. You can fill a bowl with warm water and a drop or 2 of dishwashing liquid and turn on the mixer for 15 seconds to loosen food. But the safest way to clean the mixers is to disassemble and hand wash non-electrical components in hot soapy water or place them as recommended by the manufacturer in the dishwasher. Crumbs and built-up grease can cause fires, so it's important to clean toaster ovens and slice toasters frequently. Many electric can openers have a blade that frequently touches the contents of the can. Cross-contamination is always a danger, so cleaning after every use is best. Unplug the appliance and use a clean cloth dipped in warm soapy water to wipe down the blade and casing. Never immerse the whole appliance in water. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.